In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code 105. The first thing you can try is by opening your network connection. Just search on the search bar. So once you're done, just click on View Network Connection. And then right-click on the Wi-Fi and select Properties. So in here, find for Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and then click on that one and click on Properties. So in here, you want to change the obtain DNS server automatically into use the following DNS server address. So let's change it to 8.8.8.8 and then 8.8.4.4. So this is the Google's DNS server. Once you're done, press OK and then close it out and you should be good to go. So the second way you can try is on your search bar, just type in CMD to open up command prompt. So once you're here, just click on Run as Administrator. So in here, there are two things you need to type in. The first one is type in ipconfig space /flash DNS and then press enter. So the second you need to type in is just write net space sh space winsock space reset and then press on enter. And to finish reset this one, just restart your computer. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.